Mahadev. I am studying in class 7 in Varna Secondary School. Today I am here to give you a small demonstration of a simple anemometer. An anemometer is an instrument which is used to measure the wind speed. Irish scientist John Thomas Ronnie Robinson invented the cup anemometer in the 19th century. A cup anemometer is the most widely used anemometer. I made this anemometer by taking two cardboard strips and placing one over the other to make a plus sign. And I fixed 4 paper cups on the ends of the strips. I colored one paper cup to make it easier to count the number of rotations. And when the wind comes, it rotates. First, the paper cups catches the wind and makes the device rotate. This makes the device spin easier. We should count the number of times this device spins. The number of times this device spins in a interval of time shows us the speed of wind. Thank you.